Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my September BOXYCHARM unboxing. Last BOXYCHARM unboxing was a mess. And I feel like so much stuff has happened since my last BOXYCHARM unboxing. I feel like that happened so long ago already, like everything with the beauty community. I think everything happened like the day after I uploaded that video. So it's been a month. So last month was a flop. I'm hoping that this month is better. Just kind of peeking at the box, it does look a little bit better this month. Let's just go ahead and get into it. If you guys don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a monthly subscription box. You get 4 to 5 full-size products for $21 a month, and most of the time you get really good stuff. I've, for the most part, always been really happy with BOXYCHARM. I've had it for years. This month's theme is Wildflower. Looks very like earthy tones and stuff. So we have 3 eye products in here, so I'm going to start off with those first. So let me prime my eyes really quick. Okay, so now that my eyes are primed and set, I'm just going to put my hair back, get it out of my face. If I look like I'm tired, it's because I've been up since 4:30 this morning. So we have this Pretty Vulgar Nightingale eyeshadow palette, and then we have the Mad Cosmetics eyeshadow brush trio. Eyeshadow palette retails for $35. I know they sell Pretty Vulgar at Sephora, so that's really exciting. And then the Mad Cosmetics Ojitos brush set retails for $18 for 3 brushes. They are all synthetic. They look really cute. We got the palette 2 months or 3 months ago, and I loved it. So I'm excited to try these brushes out. And the eyeshadow palette, let's open her up. But it looks like really cute and pretty. It looks very earthy, cool tones kind of. Also a mirror in here, which is really nice. So let's just go ahead and get started. Take this little plastic off. And there's a blending brush in the brush set, a little flat brush, and then like a flat defining brush. So I'm going to start off with this fluffy, ooh, it's really, it's so soft. It feels like a teddy bear. So I'm going to start off with this shade called Hide and Seek. It's like a taupey color. And I'm just going to put this in my crease. This brush is extremely soft. Like, probably one of the softest brushes I've ever tried. It feels like a little teddy bear grazing your eyes. Blending out that shadow really nicely. Just like a really light color to put down first. This brush is so soft. I like can't get over it. I barely even feel like I'm touching my face. Next I'm going to go in with Flip Out, which is like this a little bit darker brown color. And I'm going to just kind of pack that on the outer corner. Okay, I don't know if it's the shadows or the brush, but it literally just like blends out the colors so nicely. So I don't know if it's the brush or just like the shadows that blend really nice, but I feel like they like literally are just like blending themselves. Never tried anything from Pretty Vulgar other than the eyeliner that we got in 2 boxes ago. I don't remember which one it was, but we got the eyeliner. Actually, I have it right here because I actually really liked it and I use it whenever I do eyeliner. Whatever rare occasion that is. I'm gonna go in with Swoop. I'm actually gonna take this on another brush. Taking Swoop, it's like a darker version of Flip Out, so taking that and just kind of sweeping that in the outer corner. I say most of the colors on the outer corner too, so I kind of want the inner part to be a little bit brighter. Back in with Flip Out and just blend those 2 together. Now that I have that down, I'm going to go in with this shade Clutch. I've been eyeing it since I opened the palette. It's like this really pretty shimmery taupey mauve-y. I don't even know. Let me swatch it. It's so pretty. Look at that. I love shades like that. Before I like really got into warm tones, I lived in like my Naked 2 palette, so like I loved cool tones. And 17, 16-year-old me would have been living. Taking the flat brush from the set, this brush is also extremely soft. I'm gonna wet that shadow a little bit too, and I'm just gonna apply it. I need a smaller mirror, that one is way too big. Apply that down. Oh wow, and it has like little flecks of glitter in it too. It is so pretty. I'm obsessed. I've been so into cool tones lately, like literally who am I? I like that this brush is like little and tiny too. Kind of blending that up into like the crease over here, and kind of just sweeping that and blending that into the outer corners, kind of like that, just so the inner part is really bright and pretty. Like living for this look. I really like the eyeshadows in here. I like the colors. It's very different. I mean, it's not like anything like crazy and new, but I'm excited to see all these cool tone palettes that have been coming out, and like out in general, or just like that we've been getting in boxes and stuff, or just like the ones I've been trying maybe, I don't know. But I've been so into cool tones, and I'm glad that now I have this one because I really like this shade a lot. It's so pretty. I feel like on camera it's not really doing it justice, but in person it's literally stunning. I love the little like flecks of glitter. I'm gonna take whatever was left on my brush from before and kind of just blend that into that shade on both sides. Like smoky, but like soft and like sultry. Honestly, I might wear this look next time I go out or something. I have one more eye product, which I might as well just use right now before I do the rest of my face. This is from Butter London. It's their Stroke of Wow. It's a weird name. Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. This retails for $19. It's one of those little wheel eyeliners. I have tried something like this before and I didn't like it, so I'm definitely not going to do a wing with it because I can't. So I'm just going to do a little like small liner. Oh god. This is, I can't. Who? Also, everyone just like stole Mac's idea, no? Like, did they not? I feel like Mac did this first and then like everyone came out with one. Oh my god, I literally hate this. But like, I don't know why, it just looks like a pizza cutter to me and it's like giving me anxiety. 1000% do not like this. But I will do this eye just to match it. Ugh, I don't like this at all. Ew, no, I just ruined my damn eyeshadow. Okay, absolutely not. I hate this. Does anybody actually like these kind of little pizza cutter eyeliner things? There's so many of them now. And does anybody actually like them? Like, I just don't understand. Like, why? I don't know. That's a flop. That's canceled. My eyeliner, I only did a line and it looks like shit, so that's saying something. So the rest of the products are just face and lip products, so I'm going to do the rest of my face, come back and do those, and then I will give you guys my final thoughts on this month's box. There's the rest of my face for the most part, so I'm going to do my lower lash line to finish up the eyes. I'm going to probably just take the same shades that I used on top, so I'm just going to take Flip Out and Hide and Seek, and just kind of put this on the lower outer part because I really want the inner part of my eye to stay kind of open and brighter. So I'm just focusing that and also kind of connecting that to the top. So I'm going to take a little bit, actually I'm going to take it on the other brush. This is a little flat defining brush. I'm going to take Swoop and just kind of focus this right here. I'm going to take a little bit of this shade called Pillow Fight. I think it's kind of like a satin. I'm just going to kind of blend that into the outer part of the lower lash line. So we're just placing that here and then blending it into the lower outer part. Just so most of the darkness is focused on the outer part. Inner corner, I'm going to take Break Free. It's like a little white shadow with some glitter in it. Ooh, that is so pretty. I love a bright inner corner. That's like my weakness. I love it. I have this product right here, which, what color is this? Okay, I thought this was one that I had already before, but this is a Laura Geller Baked Blush. This retails for $28. I have tried Laura Geller blushes before and I do like them. I have Fruit Punch. I think that's the name of the one I have. So I'm just gonna take this. It's like it has like a bunch of different tones in it. It's like pink, some browns, some purples. I don't know. So let's see. Ooh. I really like, there's like a purple sheen to it and it looks really pretty. It's not anything like, it's not like, oh, you have purple on your face. It just kind of gives your, I don't know, it just looks really nice. But I have tried her blushes before and they do perform really nicely. I like this color a lot. I put some like highlight on, put my lashes on, and then I have a lip product, so I will do that last. Okay, so now that I have the rest of my face on, I am living for this look. It's just so simple but pretty. So we're gonna go in with this little bad boy right here. This is the Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick in the shade Deep Burgundy. I actually have never tried their liquid lipsticks. I used to be like a Lorac stan. And I think I've pretty much tried everything from Lorac, but I haven't tried these, so let's see how this works out. This retails for $19, and this is what it looks like. These are, I love these kind of colors, so let's see. The applicator is just like a standard doe foot. It goes on pretty liquidy. It's pretty pigmented like right away though. It smells really good. Not patchy, which I'm actually very impressed about. Usually these shades are always like so patchy. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed. Like, I have so many of these colored lipsticks, but most of the time they're always really patchy, or like they'll go on patchy. But this one went on so nicely. It doesn't feel dry or anything. I mean, it hasn't, I think it's almost completely dry. It looks really nice on the lips. It smells really good. And I got pretty good pigment like right away. I feel like my lip is crooked, so I'm gonna kind of fix that really quick. So this will be like the true test of like going over it and stuff. So whenever I do that though, I take most of the product off. So let's see. Pretty good. Even going over it, usually that's when I can tell like, oh, it's gonna like flake off, or like when it goes on top of each other like that. And it didn't do that. So honestly, I'm really impressed. Like, I really like this. And you guys know I wear these colors all the time, so it's really hard to find colors like this that have like straight pigment right away, that don't go on patchy, or that like you need like 2 layers for. I'm pretty impressed, not gonna lie. I really like it. Okay, little clips out and give you guys my final thoughts on everything. Let me add up how much this box was. So the overall value of everything in this month's box was $119. Honestly, I feel like this box was a winner, especially after last month. I really liked pretty much everything except for this little eyeliner, but that's fine. Anything else I really, really liked, especially the palette. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much, but I really do, and let me tell you why. So I was talking about earlier that I used to love cool tones, and the Naked 2 was my favorite Naked palette out of all of them. I love the Naked 1 because it was the first one and stuff, but the Naked 2 was my favorite. You guys could see I used this palette so much. It reminds me of like a better version of the Naked 2, and this is like what I wanted the Naked 2 to be. Like, if I would use it now, like at the time it was good, but like if I would use it now, I don't really like it. But this is everything. This is so good. I love the shade that I used on my lid. Like, everything blended out really nicely, and I really like it. I did not think I was gonna like this at all, to be honest, and I'm very impressed. I really like this. What else? The brushes, Gabby, whatever you make your brushes with, please make more. They're so soft. I felt like a teddy bear was blending out my eyeshadow. They're so good. I loved it. The little flat brush really packed on. The shadow, the blending brush was so soft, and it blended out the shadows really nicely. Blush I really liked, and same for the lipstick. I'm honestly very impressed. I kind of had like not good expectations for this. I was like, oh, I don't think it's gonna look that good. I'm probably gonna take it off. I even had like a lipstick right here to the side that I could put on afterwards if I didn't like it, but honestly I'm very impressed. It dried down. It doesn't feel dry at all. It doesn't really feel like anything's on my lips either, which is crazy considering it is very matte. It's not like emphasizing any of like my lines or anything. Maybe like a little bit, but not anything more than usual. I'm very impressed. BOXYCHARM, you redeemed yourself from last month because last month was a mess, and I know you guys know that. Good job at redeeming yourself because this month's box was actually really good. Definitely getting me like in the fall vibes too. Happy first day of fall. Today when I'm filming this is the first day of fall. So I really like this month's box. I'm very happy with everything that was in here. These are definitely products that I would have never bought myself, to be completely honest. That's how I feel about most products that are in the BOXYCHARM. Like I was like, oh, I would never buy that. But now that I have it, I'm so happy I do. And even if you guys don't have BOXYCHARM and you like cool tones and stuff, I highly recommend this palette. I think you guys should pick it up. I would buy it. Same for the little eye brush trio. These are really good. I definitely recommend picking those up too. If you're not subscribed to BOXYCHARM and stuff and you wanted those brushes, I definitely recommend that and the palette, aside from the box, you know. So that's saying a lot. Leave me a comment down below. Did you guys get the same stuff in your box? What was your favorite thing? My favorite was definitely the eyeshadow palette. I love it. It is so pretty. I just feel really pretty in this look right now. If you do want to sign up for BOXYCHARM, there's always a link down below in the description box. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a tiny commission from it. If you guys don't feel comfortable using the link, you can just go to BOXYCHARM and sign up on their website. But if you do use my link, thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for allowing me to pay my bills. Y'all are great. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.